to fix Google Photos face recognition. So, if Google Photos isn't recognizing or grouping faces together, here are some few things you can try. Open up Google Photos application and then sign in to your account. Once that's done, simply tap on your profile icon, then tap on Google Photos settings. Inside here, you have to go ahead and simply tap on Privacy and make sure Face Group is turned on. Next, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Google Photos and simply make sure the app is updated. If Google Photos recognizes older photos but not your newer ones, don't turn off face groups. Instead, turn off low power mode and then connect to your phone to a charger and Wi-Fi. Then leave the Google Photos app open overnight. This gives Google Photos time to process your newer photos. After that, you can check collection followed by people and pet and see if missing faces have appeared. Keep in mind that face group isn't available in every region or for every account type. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.